Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So this morning I'm going to load up and head on out to do some touring, and what we're doing today is actually we're plotting a route for a future group ride. So I'm going to meet up with a friend and we're going to go downtown Sarasota, plot a route through town, and head over to Longboat Key, which is a popular area in the Sarasota area. And yeah, so we're just going to take the route and explore it a little bit before we take a larger group of people down through there. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be using my favorite touring bike, which is the Mach Wheel Basalt ST, because it's a beast of a bike and I can carry lots of gear on it, and that's what we're doing. So we're going to get loaded up and get going. All right, hold on a second right here. I didn't have a signal inside there, and I'm just waiting for this app to catch up. There it goes, now it did. All right, we're good. Well, it should be a good day for this anyway. No, I'm good. Just go over the bridge. Well, walk your bike. Yeah, let's do it right, so let's go that way.
What are you on the same thing, or you're
No, I was recording it, but I can turn that off. I mean, we can.
What I'll do is, yeah, okay, look, yeah. Somehow I missed this.
We're supposed to turn in the circle. We're supposed to take the first right, it looks like. All right, guys, so here's an update. So, as I mentioned before, we're out scouting today looking for a new route to take our riding group on. And I'm having trouble with the mock wheel here. Now, I had trouble with it before where it was acting up and it felt like the motor was trying to surge and then it cut back and then it surged and then it cut back. And I contacted support about it and they said, well, just do a factory reset. That should fix it. So I did a factory reset. It seemed to have fixed it. Everything was fine. I've only ridden it about 60 miles since that factory reset. And out here today, I'm having all kinds of trouble with it again. It won't go over about 25 miles an hour on full throttle, but on pedal assist, I can't go over 21. So, I can't reach 28 like I used to. So at 21 miles an hour, it surges and it cuts back, and it's like the brake is engaging or something. It just won't go. So we rode it that way for a while, thinking, we're already on this trip. Let's see where we can go and where we end up. But it's continuing to do it, and we've only gone about 12 miles now, and my battery is depleted. Or not depleted, but my battery is down to about half. So that tells me that there's something very wrong electrical, and all this surging that's going on is really eating up the battery. So after 12 miles on a full charge, I'm down to half a battery. So here I am sitting on the side of the road while my friend continues down the road that way to the destination, to the end of this route, to make sure that this is a route that we want to bring a larger group of people on. And when he passes back through, I'll join him again and hopefully make it back to where we started. But yeah, not real happy. I'm not even sure how many miles I've got in this bike. Probably 200 total, because I do have other bikes, and so I don't ride this one solely all the time. I ride this one, I ride other ones. But I believe there was close to like 130 or 140 miles on it when I had to do the factory reset the first time. And of course that wipes out your mileage. And I just tried the factory reset again twice, and I had about 60 miles on it then. And with the factory reset twice, it's still doing it. Still the same problems. So yeah, kind of sucks a little bit. So I'll be reaching out to mock wheel again. I'm not holding my breath because my interaction with mock wheel has not been great. Let's just say that. I get response to my emails sometimes, and although the last time when I had a problem, they did respond rather quickly and help me out, and I appreciate that. And we thought maybe it was done, and they told me they were going to annotate it, and in case I have problems in the future, that they could work with it. So I'm hoping this time I'll be able to reach out to them and they will figure out what is going on and send me parts, whatever we got to do to get this thing back on the road. But I've reached out to them for other reasons, and you never hear back from them, so that's disappointing. And I know other people have told me the same thing, but some of you folks have said that you've got had good success talking to mock wheel and reaching out to support, and you get answers to all your questions right away, and that's great. So I'm not sure why it's so hit or miss, but yeah, you're really starting to get frustrated though. So I may be looking for spiders crawling up my leg. I may be looking for another ride. I got bikes that come in and go, but this has been my bike. This has been my primary bike right here. And this is my touring bike. This is the one I take out on longer rides with folks and stuff, because it's it's a nice, powerful bike. It's always done well. But I may have to look for something else. I'm just not so sure how reliable this is going to be. So we'll see. But anyway, that's it. That's the update for now. I'm going to sit here on the side of the road and wait for my friend to finish scouting the route, and then on his way back, we'll get going again. Well, hey guys, I made it home. So here's what happened. After I sat on the side of the road while my friend continued scouting this route, when he got back to my location, we continued riding again, and all seemed fine initially for about a mile or so. Pedal assist was working fine and everything seemed okay. But then I lost pedal assist again. So we stopped, and this time we waited like another 20 minutes or so, just sitting there waiting for things to maybe cool down in case something was getting hot. It didn't feel hot at all. Started again, everything seemed fine. On pedal assist, I was cruising along, hitting 26, 27 miles an hour, no problems at all. And then after about 2 miles, it all went away. And at that point, I could only do 8 to 10 miles an hour on pedal assist. That's as far as I could go. However, on throttle, it still worked. I could still get up to about 25 on throttle. So as it turned out, I ended up throttling all the way home for the 8, 9, 10 miles or so that we had to go. In all, we rode about 23 miles today. Now, typically when I'm out riding, if I do like a 30, 35 mile ride or something, I still have close to half a battery left. That's one of the reasons I really like the Mach Wheel Basalt, because the battery life is excellent. But today I only did 24 miles. I had 0 bars left. And I was getting worried as we were trying to get back to the parking area, because I had 0 bars left, and I'm sitting here thinking I'm gonna end up, hoofing this thing all the way back. But luckily we made it. But yeah, pedal assist is gone. It's just not working, and depleted the battery. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'll keep you updated. I just sent a message off to Mach Wheel. I'll wait to hear from them early next week, hopefully find some kind of resolution on this. And then I'll let you know what the deal is. But yeah, so that's it for this video, unfortunately. So until next time, ride safe.